A very good morning to my class 12 students. I'm so sorry in part 1 I addressed you as class 11th. I'm so sorry for that. But all what is important is that you have now an overview of what marketing management is. So yesterday we did with marketing management and the process of it and the philosophies. So now you tell me, after reading all this and listening to me, now you tell me, what do you understand by marketing management? Okay, I have told so many times in the class, management is nothing but manage men tactfully. Okay, men means manpower, the personnel. Your third, it's can you can say it as the your workforce. So marketing management, if management word आया है तो it includes planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, performing all managerial functions in the context of marketing is called marketing management. Thus main activities of marketing management are as under. बाई चांस अगर 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि वाई marketing is known as management, what do you understand by marketing management? So first, they plan the market activities, all the marketing activities are being planned. Then they organize marketing activities, then staffing for accomplishing marketing activities, then directing marketing activities, and then controlling marketing activities. So don't be confused, just be little, keep your eyes open and see what the question is demanding. So now to start with functions of marketing. Marketing is related to the exchange of goods and services. Unless and until there is no transaction, there is no business. And marketing itself is a part of business. So, through its medium, the goods and services are brought to the place of consumption. It is, it is readily available at affordable prices and readily available, okay? That is to the place of consumption. This satisfies the needs of the customer. I am getting the product of my choice at my rate and at a place where I can is accessible. Okay, affordable, accessible, and available. You remember class 9th economics? Availability should be there, accessibility should be there, and affordability should be there. तो affordability तो we are not talking of the consumers. आपने product बनाया ही ऐसे है कि it should be after studying the target audience, तभी हमने product बनाया, तो it should be available and it should be accessible. Okay, the following activities are undertaken in respect of the exchange of goods and services, and they are nothing but 12. Okay, so this is a sure shot your 6 mark question. अगर ये 4 marks या 5 marks के लिए आता है तो you need to mention all the points and just one liners of it. But if it comes for 6 marks, then you have to write all the points with detailed explanation. So first is gathering and analyzing market information. What are the functions of marketing management? The first, gathering. You have gathered the information and now you are making a report on it. Analysis, analyzing market information. It is a very important function, the first function of management, marketing management, okay? Under it, an effort is made to understand the consumer thoroughly in the following ways. Thoroughly in what? What do the customers want? In what quantity? At what price? What they want? When do they want? What kind of advertisements do they like? Where do they want? What kind of distribution system do they like? Everything, it is by the survey, it is by ऑनलाइन सर्वे. अभी आप यूट्यूब लॉग इन करिए तो यूट्यूब का अपना एक सर्वे राउंड चलता है. देयर आर सो मैनी एप्स विच ऑलवेज डिपेंड ऑन सर्वे एंड अबव ऑल these days what happen is they gather information through SMS as well. These days the marketers have started gathering information through SMS. How? The viewers can watch some favorite news on the news channel. And these channels on the TV, the moment you are reading or doing anything on the phone, whatever type of ad you are watching, you just click a site of, travel site. You just open a site of booking air tickets. You just open a site of watches. You will be having the shock of your life. Next 10 days, next 15 days, you will get the same ad. अगर आपने पिज्ज़ा का ऐड देखा तो बार बार आपको ऐड पिज्ज़ा के और डेलिकेसीज के आएंगे, तो आपको लगेगा कि वाओ, आपको मेरा मन कर रहा था, बार बार मुझे वही पिक्चर्स आ रही. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. इट इज़ नॉट अ कोइंसिडेंस. It is a planned activity. It is I'm missing the name on Netflix. It is Social Dilemma, I feel, if I'm not wrong. They tell you how these satellites work on individual likes and dislikes. Understood? So we need to gather and analyze market information, and then we segregate the target audience. It is from 4 years to 12 years, then 13 years to as per the market needs and as per the whatever your market is all about. So everything in gathering and analyzing marketing information, we do what consumer want, in what quantity, what price, where do they want it, what kind of advertisement. Same series which is running smoothly on Netflix and Amazon Prime, would you love to see those series on your cable? No. Same content, same performance, same cast, but you will not be loving to watch it over cable. Normal channels which are coming through dish antenna. So this is what is reading customers' mind. How they come to know it? It is because of TRP, the way you access your phone. गूगल पे आप इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए जाइए, वही पेजेस खुलेंगे जो आपके प्रेफरेंस के, वो पहले बार ही पूछ लेते हैं व्हाट आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन बॉलीवुड, हॉलीवुड, ट्रैवल, हेल्थ, इंश्योरेंस, कॉमर्स, you are interested in world news, everything they ask, inquire, and then they see what you surf. Surf means आप क्या ब्राउज करते रहते हैं, जो ब्राउज करेंगे वो ही आएगा सामने. I am sure that everybody is having phone in their hand, and you must be having an experience of it. The moment the more you are going to browse, the more that sort of उसी तरीके के ads will pop up. Okay. All the relevant information about the consumer is collected and analyzed. On the basis of this analysis, an effort is made to find out as to which product has the best opportunities in the market. This is first function. Second, then we plan. Without planning, nothing is done. So before planning, it is gathering and analyzing market information. Then is market planning. मार्केट प्लानिंग में हमेशा जब भी फंक्शंस ऑफ मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट आएगा, यू हैव टू मेक अ square which you have to divide it in 4 within that big square, and you have to write SWOT analysis. Okay, first function में SWOT analysis. What are the strengths of the product which I am going to launch? What are the weaknesses of that product which I am going to launch? Then what are the opportunity and what are the threats? And that is known as SWOT analysis. If you remember in class 9th as well, I used to say that for self-introspection, do SWOT analysis. So please don't forget this, to see what are the company's and product strengths, what are its weaknesses, how it will overcome, what are the opportunity and what are the threats. Okay, now market planning. There is a example on your Poonam Gandhi's book, that is, suppose a marketer on conducting research found that he has 10% share in the market only. Then he can make a plan to increase his share to 30%. Then plan for increasing level of production, plan for promoting product extra. What does that mean? This means now when I need to increase my share market, how it is going to be? The more I am going to put the efforts in the sales, वो तो मैं कर ही रहा था, तब भी मेरा market share नहीं बढ़ रहा. Then now I have to plan, I have to prepare a plan in respect to the level of production, where it is going wrong. I have collected it with SWOT analysis, and then I am going to prepare a plan in respect to the level of production. Please write it down. In level of production and promotion efforts. Marketing planning. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are increasing it. It will also be decided as to who will do what, when and how. Marketing planning में हम लोग ने क्या decide कर लिया? It will be decided as to who will do what, when and how. To do this, this is known as market planning. Okay, marketing. I'm so sorry अगर by chance गलती से भी market planning निकल जाए तो please forgive me. It is marketing planning. Product designing and development, the third one. Product designing is very, very, very important. Now, every shop, every mall is giving you the opportunity to do the self-shopping. Yes or no? Whether it is Shri Ram departmental store, whether it is Big Bazaar, whether it is Spencer's, there will be attendants to help you out. Yes ma'am, what do you need? May I help you? But you pick up your own choice of biscuits, your own choice of cornflakes. आप ये पूछ सकते हो कि where will I find cosmetics, where will I find groceries. They can help you. और आप पूछोगे कि मुझे कोलगेट टूथपेस्ट नहीं दिख रहा, देन दे आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू, बट दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू कि नो मैम यू हैव टू टेक दिस कोलगेट ब्रांड ओनली. नो मैम, दे विल नॉट डू सो. ओके, product designing. So when we are going to the shelf to get our choice of biscuits, our choice of essential commodities for the home, sometimes we are being distracted. Yes or no? And then we see a beautiful packaged biscuits. You must have पार्ले जी अगर रखा है एक ही सारे बिस्किट्स के काउंटर में, और एक तरफ डार्क फैंटेसी रखा हुआ है, एंड देन एक तरफ रखा हुआ है देयर आर सो मैनी ब्रांड, ब्रिस्क फार्म के इतने सारे ब्रांड्स रखे रहते हैं. व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू चूज? Of course, you are going to go with the color, you are going to go with the presentation, you are going to go with the packing. Okay, that itself is product designing. How it is going to appeal to the eyes. Okay, product designing is all about appeal to the eyes. So product designing plays an important role in product selling. The company whose product is better and attractively designed sells more than the product of a company whose design happens to be weak and unattractive. No matter how much a chocolate is nice, but if अब कैडबरी, यही कैडबरी बचपन में जो 10 रुपीज़ की आती थी, 20-25 की आती थी, सेम पैकेजिंग, सेम, एंड वी यूज टू हैव is it as an exotic chocolate. And now when we go and buy this chocolate जो सबसे सस्ती है कैडबरी की, उसके अंदर वो एक बटर पेपर भी नहीं लगाते, बस आप ओपन करिए और सीधे यू कैन हैव इट. बट द मोर एक्सपेंसिव द मोर अट्रैक्टिव इट विल बी. अभी आप कैडबरी सिल्क लीजिए, द बिग साइज, देन देयर विल बी अ गोल्डन पैकिंग, उसके ऊपर एक बटर पेपर होगा, उसके ऊपर जो वो पर्पल उसका लैमिनेशन है, that will be more costly, more easy to handle, texture will be good rather than the 10 rupees or 15 rupees Cadbury. Same company, and they are dealing with the product designing with the same product in two variants. Okay, I want your 100% attention. If you are listening me, you can listen putting your earpods and earplugs. You can do your work, and then you can open your book in front of you, and then you can relate to what I am saying. Okay, so product designing, it is very important to have the competitive advantage. It is important to remember that it is not sufficient to prepare a design in respect of a product. यू कैन नॉट डू इट, एक बार डिज़ाइन कर दिया तो हो गया, नो, एवरी टाइम पीपल नीड चेंज. It is more important to develop it continuously. Wow, with a new pack, with a new color. कि जब भी एड में आपका कोई प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन अलग होता है या कलर चेंज किया जाता है, इट इज़ ऑलवेज बीइंग फ्लेबरगास्टेड, इट इज़ ऑलवेज बीइंग शोन ऑन द मीडिया ईदर बाय एयर. और आपका पुराना फेवरेट निरमा पैक अब बिल्कुल नए अवतार में ऐसे एड्स आते हैं ना. दिस इज़ वॉट इट इज़, दैट people need change. Change is inevitable, okay, indispensable. And how you can procure your market share by changing product design and development. Development is, it is on a continuous process, it has to be on a continuous process. Same Santro, सेम हुंडई की कार, हर साल ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री कार क्यों चेंज कर देती है, कलर्स के वेरिएंट क्यों लेकर आती है, क्यों अलग से बताती है कि वी आर गिविंग रूफ टॉप एज वेल, वी आर गिविंग वॉइस कमांड एज वेल, just to sustain in the market. Okay, now coming to the fourth point, that is standardization and grading. Standardization means what? Same, maintaining same quality standards, same quality. आप चाहे बंसल्स के यहाँ से खरीदिए, चाहे श्री राम के यहाँ से खरीदिए, चाहे आनंद के यहाँ से खरीदिए चॉकलेट, it has to be same. If the company is same, then the uniformity has to be there in the taste, in the packaging, in handling the product. Okay, so standardization provide quality assurance. आप कहीं से भी खरीदो, एक पान की दुकान से खरीदो, चाहे आप सबसे बड़े मॉल से खरीदो, you know that whatever quality is being shown on the TV or whatever I have had in the previous time, it will be there. So this is known as standardization. अगर 1 मार्क्स का आता है, what do you mean by standardization? Standardization means maintaining quality standards to achieve uniformity in the product. Okay, standardization provides quality assurance and consistency to consumers. Consumers are assured about the quality of product, पैकिंग एक्स्ट्रा. हमको पता होगा हल्दीराम का पैकेट हम जब भी लेंगे तो अंदर से एक जिप सील होगी, जैसे ही आप एक खोलेंगे उसके बाद आप उसको प्रेस कर दीजिए, वो अपने आप फिर से जिप लॉक हो जाएगी. ओके, एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ग्रेडिंग? ग्रेडिंग मीन्स you are grading your product. Excuse me, you are grading means classifying on the product on some basis. It is up to the company and it is up to you. Generally ये होता है राइसेस में, पल्सेस में, जो ओपन मार्केट में होता है. जैसे हम K68 गेहूँ लेंगे, कि हम KW लेंगे, कि हम K10 लेंगे, या फिर एक हम नॉर्मल लेंगे. ओके, so grading means classifying the products into on some basis. The basis of classification can be size, can be quality, size of the गेहूँ, size of the चावल. अगर आप जाते हो अभी मार्केट में, आप कहते हो कि मुझे अच्छा बासमती दिखाइए, वो आपको दिखा रहे हैं 150 रुपये किलो, 150 रुपये किलो चावल. फिर आप कहोगे नहीं नहीं नहीं, अरे क्या बात करते हैं साहब, आप इतना ही बेहतरीन चावल उसमें लीजिए 80 रुपये में. आपको 80 रुपये का भी बासमती मिलेगा, आपको 150 रुपये का भी बासमती मिलेगा, आपको 1050 का भी बासमती मिलेगा. ओके, एंड what comes to our houses is between 80 to 120. So if the common people are able to afford such kind, so imagine the real basmati. Okay, so grading is necessary when companies are not following strictly the technique of standardization. Standardization अब तब हो सकता है जब आपके bottled packaging हो, जब आपकी चॉकलेट्स पैकेजिंग हो, या आपकी कोई प्रोडक्ट आप whatever you are manufacturing. बट गेहूँ, टमाटर, आलू, ये आप खेत पे कैसे कर सकते हैं कि एक ही साइज़ के आलू आएंगे, एक ही साइज़ का गेहूँ आएगा, एक ही साइज़ के अमरूद होंगे पेड़ पे. यू कैन नॉट डू दैट. फॉर दैट पर्पज ग्रेडिंग इज़ कंपल्सरी. Grading is generally used in agricultural products, for example wheat, rice. Okay, and generally people do differentiation like this is A, AA, AAA, like this. Now the next point, packaging and labeling. Packing is always called as silent salesman. Please don't forget that. एक मार्क से मल्टीपल चॉइस में आ सकता है. पैकिंग इज कॉल्ड साइलेंट सेल्समैन. मैंने अभी आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया ओरियो बिस्किट का, डार्क फैंटेसी का, एंड देयर सो मिलानो. देयर आर सो मेनी बिस्किट यू कैन लव to have, you would love to have just seeing their packaging. Okay, and packaging is a bigger term, the outer covering which is being done. Okay, designing of packet, wrapper, carton which are used to pack the product, that is packaging. हमेशा याद रखना पैकेजिंग जो हम किस तरह से हम भेजेंगे. Okay, packaging aims at avoiding breakage, damage, destruction of the goods during transit and storage. जब ट्रांजिट मतलब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, मूवर्स एंड पैकर्स हैं. मूवर्स एंड पैकर्स आर व्हाट? दे आर अ कंपनी, they are a firm who help you out if you are having any transfer and you want to transit your things from one place to another. They are going to come at your place, I'm so sorry, and then they are going to pack it and they are going to move it at your new destination. Okay, so packaging and labeling is so very important. First of all, understand it again. Packaging aims at avoiding breakage, okay, damage, destruction, etc. It helps to sustain goods during transit and storage. बनाया हमने बहुत अच्छा, लेकिन during the transportation there was wear and tear. It cannot be so. Okay, so packaging facilitates what? Handling, how you will handle the packet, लिफ्टिंग कन्वीनियंग ऑफ द गुड्स. ये बना चला बैंगलोर से बिस्किट बन रहा है, जब तक आपके पास आए तब तक चूर चूर हो गया. इट कैन नॉट बी. मैनी अ टाइम कस्टमर्स डिमांड गुड्स इन डिफरेंट क्वांटिटीज. सो इट इज़ नॉट ओनली द पैकेजिंग बट इट ऑल्सो नेसेसिटेट्स स्पेशल पैकेजिंग. पैकिंग मटीरियल इंक्लूड्स बॉटल, canister, plastic bags, tin, wooden boxes, jute bags, anything which can attract the customer. Packaging always play an important role in selling, as attractive packing induces the customers to buy the product, and that's why packing is called silent salesman. Labeling is what? It is the informative part of packaging. What is labeling? अभी आपके घर में देखो कॉफ सिरप की बॉटल होगी, उसको उठाइए, वो जिसमें उसमें जो भी लेबल लगा होगा, कंपनी का नाम, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट, एवरीथिंग. लेबल इज द वॉट एवर यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग इन डिटेल इज कॉल्ड लेबल. ओके, दैट लेबल लगा हुआ है उसके ऊपर. तो लेबल मतलब बॉटल पे लेबल लग गया है रिगार्डिंग एवरीथिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट एंड इट्स प्रोड्यूसर. वहाँ पे प्रोड्यूसर का एड्रेस होगा, ईमेल आईडी होगा. आप कोई से कोई बड़ा प्रोडक्ट उठा लीजिए, एलोवेरा का जूस की बॉटल अगर रखी होगी आपके घर में, आंवला का, अचार का, हनी का, जैम का, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर राइट नाउ चेक इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द नेम ऑफ द मेडिसिन ऑन इट्स बॉटल, जस्ट पिक इट अप फॉर माई सेक. along there will be labeling, the formula used for making the medicine, डेट होगी, एक्सपायरी डेट होगी, बैच नंबर होगा, प्राइस होगा, are printed on the slip, thereby giving all the information regarding the medicine and the medicine who is manufacturing, to whom? To us, to the consumer. The slip carrying all the details. Please don't be confused. This slip, ये जो कागज़ है जो चिपका है बॉटल पे, उसमें हर चीज़ लेबल की गई है कि ये कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है. It can be taken universally, or it can be taken only under the medical supervision. Please do not keep it within the reach of the children. सब कुछ लिखा होगा, चाहे जितनी छोटी बॉटल हो चाहे जितनी बड़ी बॉटल हो. ओके, and the process of preparing it is known as labeling. Okay, now sixth, branding. Which brand you want to love to have? You prepare yourself for the niche market. हमने अपने आप को प्लेसिंग, ब्रांडिंग इज प्लेसिंग माई सेल्फ to have the customer loyalty. Branding means giving a special name to the product. Okay, companies may decide to sell the product in companies name. या तो हम मारुति के नाम से ही बेचें या फिर हम उस प्रोडक्ट को उसके नाम से बेचें और एक ब्रांड क्रिएट करें. नाउ यू नो द बिस्किट पार्ले बाय पार्ले नेम रादर देन उसकी कंपनी का नाम. जो पार्ले मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी, यू डोंट नो द पार्ले कंपनी. Okay, so the branding means giving a special name to the product. Companies may decide to sell the product in company's name, or they may decide a special brand for their products. For example, Sony, BPL, इन कंपनी के नाम ही अपने आप में काफ़ी हैं. Are using company name as brand like Ariel, Tide. They are special brand name selected by company. दे आर प्रोमोटिंग एरियल. एरियल बनाता कौन है? हो सकता है पामोलिव, हो सकता है हिंदुस्तान लीवर लिमिटेड, हो सकता है एनी अदर मल्टीनेशनल कॉरपोरेशन. बट व्हाट दे आर प्रमोटिंग एरियल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तनिष्क इटसेल्फ इज़ अ ब्रांड एंड वेस्टसाइड इटसेल्फ इज़ अ ब्रांड. ठीक है, आप ही के शहर में, आप ही के रीच में आप दोनों जगह गए हो, बट दे बोथ आर ऑफ द सेम कंपनी. दे आर फ्रॉम टाटा. But what Tata is instigating, that Tanishq should be a brand in itself. और धीरे से लिखा होगा a Tata product. Westside अपने आप को प्रमोट कर रहा है. You are establishing, oh I got it from Westside. You will never say it, I got a Tata product. Okay, this kurta is from Tata. No, you will say this is from Westside. So the brand name must be selected very carefully, as the customer's loyalty depends upon the brand name. Understood? Okay. What it does? It does a distinction from other competitors. Okay. To give a distinct name, a special name is branding. Okay. Now customer support service, very very important. In present day business environment, customer is the kingpin of the market. He always has been the kingpin. So a very important function of marketing management, the seventh is relates to developing customer support service, such as handling customers complaints. Very important, handling customer complaints, after sales service, maintenance services, consumer information, technical services, extra. He has always been the king. We have read this. It refers to a group of services which aim at providing maximum satisfaction to the customer. Before buying, before the sales happened, before the sales took place, and after the sales took place. Both. They not only provide you the services at the point of sale, rather than after sales services, technical services, maintenance services, credit facilities, product related information, handling customer complaints. Please make a note of it. What I am saying is, this encourages a customer's attachment to a particular product and he starts buying that product time and again. LG की सर्विस बेहतरीन और सैमसंग की. अगर जिसके घर में LG का फ्रिज होगा, उसी के घर में LG की वॉशिंग मशीन भी होगी, LG की मिक्सी भी होगी, LG का टीवी भी होगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि एक सैमसंग है, एक बजाज है, एक हेवल्स है, एक सैमसंग LG है, एक ओनिडा है. इट विल नॉट बी सच. The more you are getting after sales services, the more you are getting customer support services, you are going to buy the product of the same company time and again. Just you need to establish that brand in the eyes of that customer. I think this is all for today. We have done 7 functions till date, that is gathering, product designing, packing, packaging, labeling, customer support services, and that's it. So no, I have missed some few names: market planning, product designing and development. Rather than calling out these names again and again, you can go through your books. But what we are left is, we are going to continue with tomorrow: pricing of products, promotion, physical distribution, transportation and storage. You have already done in class 11th auxiliaries to trade. उसका सिर्फ एक सब पार्ट है. So make sure you please follow whatever I am saying. Thank you so much.